Welcome to you all on this channel Technology Engineer All. Today I am going to talk about Tor installation. Tor, which is you know about all this, like this is Tor. Tor is like at like Linux or any software which you know about this. This is a tool. So we install this. Go on terminal on this and we give the command Tor and not found, then we have to install say and press in or y. So y for yes, so we have to install, and they are take passwords and I give the password already. Then they are finally go on, and here we also yes type, and like this we are going, and finally it is done. And again we give the tor, then they are going on and currently existing cleanly. Okay, we saw about the status. So service tor status we type, and it is so that inactive or dead. Then we start for the service of tor, then service tor start command, and so the password which is on Kali Linux or Linux your system. So then you press the password and enter, then here tor is start again. After that password enter, and we saw about the service tor status again, and it is saw the active.
तेरी सांसों